Good morning, team. Look at this room. It is so messy.
Ew! Mom, look at the dust.
Don't worry, today is Spring Cleaning Day.
Yay! Do we really have to do this?
Yes, let's make the house shine. Here are the rules. We have 3 boxes: keep, donate, and trash. If you don't use it for 3 months, it goes to donate or trash.
But Mom, it is hard to choose. I love all my things.
Watch me, Maya. Old newspaper? Trash. Empty box? Trash.
Leo, it is broken. We need space for new toys.
Okay. Goodbye, car. You were a good car. Dad, what is this? It is an old game controller. The wire is cut.
Hey, give me that.
Yeah!
I can fix it.
Dad, you didn't use it for a year.
Ethan, be a good example. Trash box, please.
Okay. Goodbye, my old friend. The floor is clear. Now, stand back. I will make this window shine like a diamond. Spray, spray, spray. Huh? Strange. Why is it not clear?
Dad, it looks worse. It is all cloudy and dirty now.
Dad, use this newspaper. It absorbs the water better.
Newspaper? Really? Wow! Look, it is clear and shiny. Thanks, Maya.
Breathe in, everyone. The air feels fresh, right?
The sun is coming in.
My room is tidy too. I feel creative.
And we have 3 big boxes to donate to charity.
Great job! A clean space makes a happy face. Spring is a fresh start for everyone. What about you? Do you help your family with spring cleaning?
Tell us in the comments.
If you enjoyed our story, please like and share this video.
See you
See
next
you next time.
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.